Dear students, I am Ismail, lecturer in computer science. In this knowledge sharing session, let's discuss about lists in HTML. At the end of this session, a successful learner will be able to define lists in HTML, demonstrate various types of lists in HTML, implement various types of lists in HTML, demonstrate nested lists in HTML. What is a list? A list is a series of information which is arranged in some order. For example, if we go to a supermarket, we wish to write down the list of items that we want to purchase in that supermarket. For example, 1 sugar, 2 rice, 3 salt, 4 milk. Like this, we write list of items. Lists in HTML. In HTML, to arrange information on a web page, we have 3 types of lists. They are unordered list, ordered list, and definition list. It is also called as description list. The unordered HTML list. In order to implement unordered HTML list, we use UL tag. It contains closing tag. We need to close the tag with /UL. Each list item represented with LI tag. LI tag also contains closing tag. We need to close this using /LI. By default, unordered list make use of disks, which are small black circles. For example, an unordered list will be displayed like this: pencil, pen, eraser. Here, these are the list item markers, which are disks. Let's observe this unordered list example. Here we have body section. An unordered list is displayed on the web page using h2 element followed by unordered list. UL tag is used and list items are implemented with LI tag. LI pen, pencil, eraser, book. UL tag is closed, body tag is closed, and finally HTML tag is closed. Now, when you execute this code on a web browser, you get the output like this. Here observe the list, which is marked with small black circles. In HTML, there are 3 types of bullets we can make use of in order to implement unordered HTML list. We need to use type attribute to specify the bullet type. For example, UL type equals to disk. Disk means small black circle. You write it within single quotes or double quotes. Then the list items are marked with small black circles. This is also the default type. Second one, UL type equals to circle. If you use circle, then the list items are marked with small circles. Third one, UL type equals to square. If you use square, the list items are marked with small squares. Observe here, if you use type equals to disk, the list items are marked with disks, which are small black circles. Now, if you use type equals to circle, the list items are marked with small circles. In this example, if you use type equals to square, then the list items are marked with squares. Now, here use type equals to circle. Save this file and execute in browser to see the output. You can observe circles. Now change the type to square. Save the file and execute in browser. You can see squares. Now change the type to disk. Save the file and execute in browser. You can see disks, which are small black circles. The ordered HTML list. In order to implement ordered HTML list, we use OL tag, which means ordered list. OL tag contains closing tag. You need to close the tag using /OL. Each list item represented with li tag. By default, ordered HTML list displays the list with numbers. For example, 1 sugar, 2 rice, 3 salt, like that. Here we use example 1 pencil, 2 pen, 3 eraser. Like this, ordered list will be displayed on the web page. Observe this example. Here we have implemented ordered list to list the items pen, pencil, eraser, book. When you execute this code, the output will be like this: an ordered list followed by 1 pen, 2 pencil, 3 eraser, 4 book. In HTML, we can specify ordered list using numbers, alphabets, or you can make use of Roman numbers. For this, we need to use type attribute in OL tag. For example, if you use OL type equals to 1, you write within single quote or double quote. Then the list items are marked with numbers. If you use OL type equals to capital A, then the list items are marked with uppercase letters. If you use OL type equals to small a, here the list items are marked with lowercase letters. If we use OL type equals to capital I, then the list items are marked with uppercase Roman numbers. If we use OL type equals to small I, the list items are marked with lowercase Roman numbers. Observe this output. Type equals to 1. If we use type equals to 1, then the output will be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. If we use type equals to capital A, the list items are marked with ABCD, capital ABCD, A pen, B pencil, C eraser, D book. If you use type equals to small a, then the list items are marked with small ABCD, small a pen, small b pencil, small c eraser, small d book, and so on. Here we use type equals to capital I to mark the list items with uppercase Roman numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we use type equals to small I to mark the list items with lowercase Roman numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. In order to start the list items from a particular number or alphabet, we can make use of start attribute of OL tag. For example, if I want to start the list from number 6, then you need to define like this: OL type equals to 1, start is equals to 6. Then that particular list will display the items starting from the number 6. In this example, OL type equals to capital A, start is equals to 6. Then the list items are displayed with starting from F, because F is the 6th letter. If you want to display the list items from Roman number 6, you use type equals to capital I, start equals to 6. The definition list or description list. In HTML, the definition list is a list which is used to arrange the items of a web page, like in the case of dictionary. That is, in dictionary you have term followed by its definition, or you can arrange the items as name value pairs. To define definition list, we use DL tag, DT tag to mention term, DD tag to mention definition of the term. It is also represented as a description list. Observe this example. Here we have implemented a description list where the term is sugar and its description is 500 grams. Second term is salt and its description is 1 kg. When we save this code and execute in browser, we get output like this. See, sugar is the term, 500 grams is its description, salt is the term, 1 kg is its description. Nested lists in HTML. We can insert a list as a list item of another list. For example, here we implement nested list. First, we write OL tag to implement ordered list, and sugar is the list item, followed by sunflower oil. You know, there are different types of sunflower oils. This is displayed with the help of unordered list. List item gold winner, list item fortune, unordered list closed, and salt is displayed as ordered list. Finally, ordered list closed, body tag closed. Now when you execute this one, you get output like this. Observe here, we implement ordered list first. 1 sugar, 2 sunflower oil. Under this list item, we implement unordered list to specify the list items gold winner and fortune, and 3 salt is displayed as ordered list. Summary of this session. In HTML, we use lists to arrange information of a web page. There are 3 types of lists in HTML, which are unordered list, ordered list, and definition list. Unordered list use bullets to list out information. There are 3 types of bullets, which are disks, circles, and squares. Ordered list use numbers, alphabets, and Roman numbers to list out information. We use type attribute to specify which type of list item markers we need. Definition list is used to arrange information, as in the case of dictionary, the term followed by its definition or name value pair. A list item can be another list, which is called nested lists. Thank you and happy learning.